Well, it's been about 1 year since I installed these solar panels. This is a 200 watt HQST system, and I wanted to give you a quick review on how it's been over the last year camping. Overall, I'd have to say I'm extremely pleased with my purchase. As you can see, I've got just about every light on in this trailer. I even have the bathroom fan on. Let's go check the voltmeter, see what we're reading. Alright, you can see we are still holding 13.8 volts. The solar panels are pulling in about 3 amps. And our battery is 99% charged. The other great thing is that I can leave these batteries hooked up the whole camping season. The charge controller will also put the batteries through different charge cycles so they'll last longer. It's been really great because when I get home from camping trips, I don't have to worry about plugging the trailer in to keep the batteries maintained. I can go the entire camping season without ever having to plug in. In addition to adding solar panels, I also replaced all my incandescent bulbs with these 12 SMD surface mount diode LED light bulbs. So it really has been great. We run the lights at night, we play a DVD, we run the water pump, we run the furnace. It doesn't matter. Probably by 9 or 10 o'clock the next morning, our batteries are fully charged again. So if you're considering getting solar panels added to your trailer, I would highly encourage you to check out my video of how to do it yourself. You can really save a lot of money, and it really was a lot easier than I thought it would be. The whole package with everything, nuts, bolts, caulking, everything, cost me around $400, and it's worked out great. In fact, I am so pleased with these solar panels that I'm probably going to install the exact same kit on my shed in my backyard. So please subscribe to my channel and look forward to that in a future video. Also, I wish you well in whatever project you're doing. I hope you can find a solar solution that meets your needs at an affordable cost.